Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into check your graphics card specs on Windows 10. Whether you're a gamer, a designer, or just a tech-savvy individual, knowing your graphics card specs is essential. So, let's get started. Alright, to begin, we'll use a built-in tool in Windows called the Stack Diagnostic Tool. To access it, simply follow these steps. First off, click on the Start button. Then, type Run in the search field. Then choose Run from the list. Once the Run window pops up, type TXIAG in the text field. This will open up the DirectX Diagnostic Tool, where you'll find a list of general system specs. Click on the Display tab to view your graphics card details such as its name, manufacturer, chip type, and memory. Now, while this gives us some basic info, let's dive deeper into our graphics card specs using a tool called GPU-Z. In the video description below, you'll find a link to download GPU-Z. Once installed, open it up and you'll be greeted with a plethora of detailed specs about your graphics card. Now, let's focus on some key specs. First up, the technology. Remember, the smaller the number, the better, indicating more efficient performance. Keep an eye on the release date too, as older cards may need an upgrade. Next, check the memory type and size. Aim or higher for future-proofing, and ensure a minimum of 3 GB of memory for decent performance at 1080p. Some even boast 6 GB of memory, offering excellent performance for your needs. And there you have it. Checking your GPU specs on Windows 10 is as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy computing. And I will see you in the next video.